Morning student, this is Vasu Amit Banjor, your IT teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. So student, today we'll learn secondary memory, storage device of the computer. The computer use secondary memory or storage device to store data and information. Storage devices like the hard disk are fixed to the computer. Portable storage device such as CDs, DVD, Blu-ray, disc pen drives, flash drive and external hard disk can be carried around. They are also used as data transfer device, that is they are used to transfer data from one device to another. So what is the use of secondary memory? To store a data, and if you want to transfer your data from one device to another device. So nowadays CD and DVD you are not using. Nowadays you are using a pen drive. So pen drive, if you want to some data from your friend's system or from your company system, so with the help of this pen drive you can save all the data which you want, and then you send all the paste all the data to your computer. Now first one is hard disk. The hard disk drive is fixed inside the computer. A hard disk consists of a stack of disks on a common spindle, each surface of which is coated with magnetic materials. Each disk has a number of concentric circles called tracks. The tracks are divided into sectors. Data is stored in these sectors. For example, for each recording surface, there is read and write head. Nowadays hard disks have storage capacity ranging from 10 GB to 2 terabyte. So hard disk is fixed inside the computer, and hard disk is used to store the data. And see here, hard disk picture is there. A surface of hard disk coated with magnetic materials, that round circles there, and the circle is called a track. The track is slowly rounding, and data is stored in these sectors only, and the sector is divided, the track is divided into sectors, and the data is stored in these sectors for each the recording surface. And here you have to read and write the head. Then the space of storage space of hard disk is started from 10 GB to 2 terabyte. Then floppy disk. A floppy disk consists of a flexible disk with a magnetic coating. A floppy is a single disk inside a protective plastic envelope. Floppy disks are no longer used since they have very small storage small storage capacities. So nowadays we are not using the floppy disk, because in floppy disk very few data we have to store. So nowadays we are not using, and this floppy is a single disk inside with a plastic envelope. So compact disk or CD is an optical disk used to store 700 MB or digital data. Initially CDs were used to store music, but were later adapted for use to store data storage device. For the data in a CD to be read, and the CD must be inserted into the CD drive. CDs are of three types. So what is the use of CD? First, CD stored around 700 MB of digital data, and this CD, firstly we are using CD for storing the music, and then after that it is used to store data also. Then this CD can be read, and this CD can be inserted in CD drive. So in your desktop or your laptop, we have to first have the CD drive. With the help of that CD drive, we have to access the CD in our PC or in our laptop. Then here three types of CDs are CD-ROM, CD-R, and CD-RW. CD-ROM means CD-ROM is read-only memory. The data is written in a CD-ROM at the time of its manufacture, and it cannot be changed thereafter. It can be read by a laser beam and many times as required. So CD-ROM is used. Suppose we are using some software, that software only we have to read only, no need, and we are not able to change or edit that software. This software is made up of this CD-ROM and CDR. CDR means recordable disk, allow the user to write on it once. So CDR means only we have to store the data once at a time. Then again if you want to store data, or again if you want add data, or again if you want to delete data or edit some data, we are not able to delete or edit in CDR. Then CDRW, compact disk rewritable, allows the data to be written multiple numbers of time by the user. And in CDRW, RW means rewritable. It means suppose that CD is having a space, so again you have to store some another data with that space. That CD is allowed to space or editing the data in CDRW. Then DVD is also known as digital versatile disk, is an optical disk storage media format that can be used for storage including movies with high video and sound quality. A DVD looks like a CD but can store much more data. A DVD has a storage capacity of 4.7 GB. To read a DVD, we insert it into a DVD driver or DVD player where it is read by laser beam. So what is the use of DVD? DVD is having more storage area than CD. That CD, suppose you are sending or you are saving movie to CD, then one CD only, one CD full, then second CD also you want to complete that movie. And in DVD, nowadays we are not using the DVD, but earlier we were using the DVD. That time in DVD 4 to 5 movies were stored there, and we can access with the help of DVD player. So in our computer we have to connect the DVD player, or in your laptop, with the help of this DVD player we can access the DVD. Now Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc, also known as Blu-ray disc BD, is the name of the next generation optical disc. Blu-rays enable recording, rewriting and playing the high definition video as we are storing large amount of data. A Blu-ray disc can hold 25 GB data on a single layer disc and 50 GB on dual layer disc. The Blu-ray format used a blue-violet laser to read and write. So Blu-ray disc is also used to store a data, and it is enabled to recording the data, rewriting also, and playing a high definition video. And the storage device is means that Blu-ray is having two layers, single layer and double layer. So the single layer is having up to 25 GB data. It can store the data up to 25 GB, and dual layer disk is used to store up to 50 GB of data. And that Blu-ray format uses blue-violet laser to read and write the data. Then pen drive or USB flash drive. The pen drive, USB flash drive, is removable drive consisting of a flash memory that is connected to the computer via USB port. It consists of a small printed circuit board in case of a plastic or metal chassis. So nowadays you are using a pen drive for transferring the data from one computer to another, or storing your data. Then external hard disk. External hard disk can have a storage capacity 2 GB to 4 TB. They can be used to take backups of hard disk or store huge amount of data which can easily be carried around. So after having the hard disk, which hard disk is there inside your computer or CPU, after with that, again if you want more data, more storage device, so you can connect this external hard disk with your computer and share the data. Now these are the exercise. This exercise I will discuss in another class. Thank you.